Okay, hello guys. Today I will present you a simple simulation software. It is called the LTspice, provided by the Linear Technologies. So let's go for it. I'll search here as L. Okay, there it is. So I'm gonna click on it, and there it is. It You can see that it has booted up very quickly. uh, you know Unlike MATLAB and all, this simulation software can be used for whenever you need a quick simulation and you don't have enough time in your hand, so you can depend on this software. But only the limitation is that uh, do not go for some very large and complex circuits, because uh, you know uh, compared to MATLAB, this software has its own limitation, because this LTspice 24 20 sorry 27 has a only a 50 MB size. So from that size you can understand that this is a kind of a limited simulation software compared to MATLAB. So in a way this can be an alternative for MATLAB when you deal with simple circuits like rectifiers, choppers and inverters. So let's go uh, for the other details. So this is the simulation environment of LTspice, and we have this toolbar right here on the top. So this is the new schematic, a new, like in a like a new Simulink model, you can say. This is a new schematic. We have the open option here, and let me go for a new schematic. Okay, this is a new schematic environment. So we have more options here, like this is the wire drawing option, this is the ground, and we have the normal commonly used elements here like resistor, capacitor, inductor and diodes, and also we have other component list right here. So I'm gonna just show you how to select some components from this software. So let's go and click on the components option. Click on that. So a window will pop up like this. So you can search here or you can find it from the list here. Let me go for search option. So I'm searching a voltage source, voltage. Yes, here it is. You can just press OK on that, then it will come here. Okay, so that is the voltage source, and just tap on it again and you can place that right there. Now I'll take a resistor. We have a resistor right here, so just place it here and you can drag like this, and I will show how the wire option work. Just click on that, and from now here you can draw the wire like this. Okay, just like that you can connect two components. You can connect two components by using the wire option. So this is how we are selecting different kinds of components in this particular software. And also, like MATLAB, we have inbuilt examples in the software. I will take one of that. So this is I'm going to take this open option, open. So it will go to the library of this LTspice, like this, LTspice examples jigs right here. So we have the inbuilt examples right here, and it is given by some kind of codes and all. So you have to study that codes from the from their website. The Linear Technologies website is available, and also this software is free. Okay, you can directly download it from the Linear Technologies site. So I'm gonna take a particular circuit here, and this one right here 1339 ASC, and I'm gonna open it. Now you can see a microcontroller and lot of other components, electrical components there. So what is this circuit is that this is just a buck converter. We can see that we can see the basic building block of buck converters right here on the right side of the controller. We can see the voltage input source V2 and the the input switch right here Q2, and we have the synchronizing switch here Q1. We are not using diode here, just to improve the efficiency. You know how we can improve the efficiency in a buck converter just by replacing that replacing that diode with a MOSFET. We can reduce the conduction loss, so we can thus improve the efficiency. So, and we have that inductor right here and the capacitor here and the load at the output side. So this is the basic building block of the buck converter, and all rest of this are just to improve the efficiency of our converter. And this is the IC we have here. This is just, I think this is just a IC made by them. We can see the name here LT133. Right here you can see a symbol of a guy running. So just click on that. So you can see that the simulation window has pop up. So this is the circuit here. This is the simulation window. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, if you want to see the output voltage, you just go and click on the output side. Just one tap. Then you can see the output voltage. You can see the buck converter is doing its job because the input was 28 volt and the output is approximately, you can see that 5 volt or something. It is settling to 5 volts after 2.1 milliseconds and after 2.4 milliseconds you can see the voltage is settling to 5 volts. So buck converter is doing its job. Now we can see the current across the inductor. Okay, this is the current across the inductor in the blue color. So we can just maximize that view. Okay, this is the current across the inductor. It will be like in this triangular shape because the inductor keeps on charging and discharging, you know that. And if you want to just check the losses that present in the switching devices, just to go to that devices, just move your cursor towards the MOSFET and just press Alt and just see, you can see that you just press Alt and then you just tap on your mouse and you can see the conduction loss. The conduction loss is shown in red color. So we can just delete all other traces we have here. Just delete the trace, yeah, and also delete the inductor current. Now we have only the conduction loss at Q2, the input switch. We have nearly around 5 watt of conduction loss. So that is how we are simulating a circuit in LTspice. So so I am recommending you guys, if you want to have a quick simulation for your project or whatever your experiment is, so you can use this software.